Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to design a business card in Canva. Step by step. It's super easy, and you can fully customize your own business card in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, go to the Canva homepage and click on Business Card. Here, you'll see many business card templates. I'm clicking on this one. Next, click on Customize this template and wait for it to load. Now your business card will appear on the timeline in Canva. If you want to add something to this template, you can easily edit it. I'm editing the text here. I'm writing my name on it. If you want to add your mobile number, you can also do that. Now I'm changing the color of this card. Click on the color option and choose any color you like. And just like that, the color changes. You can change anything you want, the image, text, or color of the card, to make it your own. When you're done, click on the Share button at the top right corner. Then click on the Download option and press Download again. Your business card will be ready and downloaded in just a few seconds. And that's it. That's how you can easily design and customize a business card in Canva. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what Canva tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.